that your final exam is coming. Hope you all have started preparation for your final exam. I have also started your revision from previous video. So we will start our revision. Let's start. We will start our chapter Internet Surfing. In this chapter, first I will explain you Internet. The Internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the Internet, it is possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and so do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the Internet. Means you can get any type of information by the Internet, which is also called going online. The Internet provides different online services, for example, web, a collection of billions of web pages that you can view with a web browser. Email, the most common method of sending and receiving messages online. Now, 10 uses of the Internet. Electronic mail. At least 85% of the inhabitants of cyberspace send and receive email. Research. We can do research on Internet. Downloading files. We can downloading files which we have required. Discussion groups. Nowadays it is also possible to discuss with the groups by using Internet. Interactive games. We can download games to play, to take enjoyment. Education and self-improvement. Friendship and dating. Electronic newspapers and magazines. You can also get electronic newspaper and magazines on Internet. Watch movies. Access information. These are the 10 uses of Internet. Now commonly used Internet terms. First is Mbps. Mbps means megabits per second. It is the speed. IP address. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. Bandwidth. Bandwidth, also known as data uses, refers to the amount of data you send through a modem connection. Browser. A browser is a free program you use to access content on the Internet. URL. A uniform resource locator, colloquially termed a web address. It is also known as the web address. It is the reference to a web resource that specifies its location on a computer network. For example, URL is http www.discovery.com, which is the URL for the Discovery website. This is the URL. It means discovery.com website URL is http :/www. Now next is protocol. In networking, a protocol is a standardized set of rules for formatting and processing data. Protocols enables computers to communicate with one another. That is network layer. When two devices want to successfully communicate, they must agree to follow some rules about the way they will do it. These are known as protocols. So we can say that protocol is the rules which followed when we are using on computer or Internet. A communication protocol is the phrase used to describe a set of rules that communication equipment adhere to when they send data to each other. Types of protocol. First is transmission control protocol. In short form, we can say this TCP. This is used to transmission of the data. Internet protocol, user datagram protocol UDP, post office protocol POP, simple mail transfer protocol SMTP, file transfer protocol FTP, hypertext transfer protocol HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol secure HTTPS. These are the short form and this is the full form. This type of protocol we are using we are using when we are surfing on net. Now next is hyperlinks. It is the primary method used to navigate between pages and websites. Links can point to other web pages, websites, graphics, files, sounds, email addresses, and other locations on the same web page. When text is used as a hyperlink, it is usually underlined and appears as a different colors. Most of we can see when we are using any hyperlink website, the color of these website is the text is blue. Now next is search engine. A search engine is a website through which user can search internet content. To do this, users enter the desired search term into the search field. The search engine then looks through its index for relevant websites and displays them in the form of a list. Search engine. A search engine is a website through which users can search internet content. To do this, user enter the desired search term. Some popular search engines are Google. Besides being the most popular search engines covering 90% of worldwide market. Second is Bing. Microsoft Bing is the second most renowned search engine in the world. First is Google and second is Bing. Google made by the Googles and Bing made by the Microsoft. Yahoo, although it was once popular then and even went neck to neck with Google during its early days, Yahoo has dropped to the third spot in terms of market share. Baidu. Founded in 2000, Baidu is a top-tier search engine that enjoys dominance in China. It is made by the China. Yandex. Yandex was established in 1997 and it boasts of being the most utilized search engine in Russia. Yandex made by the Russia. Now electronic mail. In short, we call it email. It is a process by which digital information can be sent, received, forwarded and stored using telecommunications networks. Using the internet, email can be transmitted outside of corporate networks. Messages can also be sent to bulletin boards. Now features of email. Automatic reply to messages, auto forward and redirection of messages, facility to send copies of message to many people. There is no need to write different mail for the many people. If we want to send a mail, you can send that mail one time to many people. Automatic filling and retrieve of messages. Addresses can be stored in address book and retrieved instantly. Means no need to write address again and again because it is stored in address book. Notification is a message cannot be delivered. Now uses of email. First is contact people all over the world for free or inexpensively. Means it is costless. Communicate with more than one person at a time. Document interaction. For example, the highly prized CYA paper trail. Next is leave messages any time of day without bothering people. Now an email address is composed of three parts. First is username. Username can be any name that you choose provided it is not already in use. Means you can use your own name but you will write some letters with them. At. The username is always followed by the symbol @ which is separate the username from the rest of the email address. Now host. This is the name of the server which receives and sends email messages. In this example, Google is the name of the host. Now site. The extreme right hand side of an email specifies the type of site. In this example, .com stands for the site. For example, we have taken this is the email address. This is the pandey.apc. It is a username. At it is at the rate separate host and username. This is username and this is the host. So it is separate both of them. .com, it is the site. Now advantages of email. Email is a free tool. Means no need to download it, and it is free. Email is quick. Once you have finished composing a message, sending it as simple as clicking a button. It is not time consuming. Email is simple, it is easy to use. Email allows for easy referencing. Messages that have been sent and received can store and search through safely and easily. Email is accessible from anywhere. Email is paperless because we don't need to write a mail for paper, and therefore beneficial for the planet. Because for making the paper we cannot cut the plants, we cannot cut the trees. Email allows for mass sending of messages. You can send many mails together. Email allows for instant access of information and files. Now, email have some advantages, but it has some disadvantages also. The disadvantages of email is email could potentially cause information overloaded. Email lacks a personal touch because when we are writing a letter to anybody or any relative, that letter we will write with emotions, with personal touch. Email can disruptive. Email cannot be ignored for a long time. Email can cause misunderstandings also. Email messages can contain viruses also, because nowadays when we open any unusual unknown people's mail, it contains virus also. Email should be kept short and brief. No need to write in a long way. Email requires timely responses. Now, best free email accounts are Gmail, which is made by Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Proton Mail, iCloud Mail. Hope you all understood this. Now we will continue this chapter in my upcoming video. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Complete your work on time and devote your time to your study. Thank you.